Following up on what we did last time on sketching a cube in Sketchbook, today we're going to sketch a cylinder and do some simple shading using layering. So let's get started. Okay, my pencil tool is the size is too big. Alright, I'll pinch my paper and draw a horizontal line somewhere like that. Okay, and then I'll pinch it. So I'm still drawing a horizontal line, but now it's a vertical line this way. Okay, draw in the 30 degrees isometric lines, two vertical lines at the side, and the top. Okay, using this, I'll draw in the inside of the cube also. Next, I'll draw in the diagonals and the middle line. The middle line, it has to be parallel to the sides. And with that, I can mark out the cross where I want my circle to go through. Opacity I'll set to about 84%. Okay, I mark out a cross here, where the middle line touches the side of the cube. And the diagonal I'll split to 3 parts, and I'll mark a cross nearer to the corner. So now I have got my 8 crosses done up. I will join them up together so I get a ellipse, which is a circle in isometric. Okay, this is the bottom circle. Now I'll join the top circle. Mark out the crosses. Okay, I'll join them together. And join the top and bottom cylinder together with a straight line so that we get our cylinder. Okay, next we want to erase away the lines that we don't want. So eraser tool, set it to about 99% flow. Okay, size about 40 or maybe 30, slightly smaller. I erase away these things that I don't want. Now there is a trick. You can click on the small little circle located at the center bottom. Click on this and you can pull out the double plug. With the double plug, you can also control the size and opacity of the eraser. So take for example, if I want the eraser size want the flow to go up, okay, or I want to change the size, I can just easily do it with here. Alright, next let's do some shading. Assuming that our light source is coming from here. Okay, let's shade the cylinder. Pinch it. I will just use my pencil tool about say 10. Okay, opacity leave it at 50. I will shade a thin layer. until somewhere here and leave a gap and shade a thin layer here. Okay, from there I will shade a few more layers so that I have an even shade. From dark to light. Okay, some part of it I'm not so satisfied, so I can use an eraser tool to slightly erase it away. Some parts that is too dark, so I will set the opacity to the flow to about maybe 40%, and you can see I can lightly erase away. Probably the size need to be bigger. Okay, if I erase too much, I can just shade back again, just a little bit. Next, I will erase away the parts that I don't want. So let's set back the flow to be about 100%. Erase away this. Because we are doing on a separate layer, so it doesn't affect our sketch below. Probably too big, so I'll reduce the size using the double plug here. Okay, next I will add in one more layer to shade the top. Okay, shading the top, I will apply a stroke, something like this. I will not touch the center part, which is going to be the lightest. Okay, and using the eraser tool, I'll shade away. I erase away the flow is 90%. Okay, pretty good. Okay, last part, we will shade in the shadows. Add another layer using our pencil tool. Because our light source is from that side, so we shade the shadows will come on this side. Lightly. One more layer. Another layer. Using an eraser tool. Okay. I will erase away those parts that I don't want. And there we are, we have our cylinder.